Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to part 2 of mine and Connor's visit to, I believe it's called Cadgwith. Hopefully I'm saying that right. We basically left that fishing village. If you haven't seen the previous video, it's my most recent one before this one. We drove down to a place called Poltesco. I believe I'm pronouncing that right anyway. But to visit a place called the Old Serpentine Works, which is an old warehouse. I think it was running back in like the 1800s, where they would be polishing serpentine stones for souvenirs, but it closed down like probably well over 100 years ago, I think. But the warehouse is still there. There's like a little pond there, and it's right next to the sea. And from there, there's a coastal path that leads you all the way to Kennack Sand. It's not really too far of a walk, but there's some pretty cool sights along the way. So that's what this video is all going to be about. Hopefully I've made the right pronunciations this time, but I very much doubt it. But yeah, with all that said, I'll crack on with that video, and I hope you guys enjoy. How would you pronounce that? Poltesco?
Yeah, Tesco.
Damn Tesco's taking over our beaches.
Oh, I should have bought a load of Tesco bags and just put them on the bushes.
A shopping basket. Oh, there's a little building there. Well, now we get to that then. Building by the beach, unless this just leads to it.
That's a very sort of brutal.
I'm just going to see what's this way. I don't think it'll be anything. I think that way leads down to that beach, but I just want to see what the view's like over here. I found it. Not that it was hard to find, mind you. What, I can't remember what the building's called. That's what I came here to see, but I forgot the name of it now. You prefer it, do you say? Did you say you prefer walking on the stones? Oh yeah, I've slipped twice. This has got to be it then, isn't it? I think this is the Old Serpentine Works or something. Unfortunately all locked up. Well, I'm saying that. Oh, the top one is. Go. There you are. What's on? Is there a thing in here, is it? Oh. Capstan House. Was it all locked up on this side as well? can't tell if it's the rocks rolling over or like the sea moving between them, but when the tide goes back out, they make a really weird noise. I'll try and see if you can hear it. It's like a round of applause. Get a bit closer. Here's a big one. It's like the rocks are clapping the wave, like, well done. That is so strange. I've never heard that. So that was the Serpentine Works at Poltesco. I feel like I should mention the parking though, because it is free, but getting into the parking and out again can be a bit difficult. I found getting in wasn't too bad, but leaving, it's quite steep and very narrow in places, and my car is considered an SUV crossover, but I don't consider it an SUV. It's not like a 4x4 or anything, and my wheels a couple of times really did spin around. I managed to get out, but if my car was bigger or if we went in Connor's van, we probably would have been in a bit of trouble, so just be aware when you are arriving and leaving. Just take extra care when you're driving as well. I'm sure you would be fine, but just as a little heads up. And of course, if you can get there, like I said, it's free, so a bit of an added bonus. But with that said, we decided to walk on down to Kennack Sands. I did want to drive originally. I wanted to walk back to the car and then drive to the Kennack Sands car park, but Connor talked me out of it. I'm glad he did, because I could do the exercise. So yeah, this is the walk now towards Kennack Sands, and then of course the beach itself. So we're going to keep on heading up the coast path. There's a very like epic looking path. It's like two or three, well the third one maybe not so much, but these two looks really good. A seal? So I've only done about 12 steps and already it looks really cool. I think Connor's down there somewhere, but so I've forgotten what the name of the place was I'm trying to find. I think it was this little beach here, but as you can probably tell by the camera, it's quite far away, so I'm going to be knackered by the end of it, but it's all good exercise. I made the right choice, I think. So if you are trying to find this, the place we just came from, that Serpentine Works, I'm not sure what this holiday park is. It might be just called like Cadwiff Holiday Park, but it's pretty much smack bang in the middle of the beach we're trying to find, and the place we've just come from. So it's a pretty good spot. Or a minute ago he let me stroke him. Is he going to kick me? Alright, pony. Hello. Alright. Oh, he's a good pony. Not going to walk behind him. I'm sure he's got quite the kick. Even for a little fella. So I'm going to leave you with a few drone shots I took of the beach, and then that's pretty much it for this video. So I appreciate everyone watching if you made it this far into the video. And yeah, not sure where or when the next video is coming, hopefully soon. As I've said, if you've been watching my previous videos, I'm on holiday now for the next week or so, so I can hopefully get out there if the weather isn't too bad and get some recording done, get some editing done if I'm not a lazy boy. And yeah, again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!